Hello everyone, good morning and happy Friday. So I just woke up, time check, it's 8 a.m. and the people that is going to install the sliding window has just arrived. So that's really good. They're currently starting to put the frame first, I believe, and then they are going to install the window itself. So I'm quite happy they actually arrived pretty early. So that's good because it was supposed to be yesterday. That's why I was here. They should be able to install everything today because it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do have 6 windows and we have 2 small windows in the toilet area. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys today as we install my sliding window finally for the province house. I'm happy we are moving forward and it's getting along nicely. So let me take you what is the current situation inside of the house and the outside as well. Alright, so here in the outside, Papa is working on the fine sand that we needed for the plastering of the house. And then let's go inside. Okay, my dearest Ruby is over here. I parked her here because I didn't want to get close to the street. And then there's gonna be noise everywhere, okay, because they're working on the windows. So let's go. Let me go here. Alright, so as you can see, we have here all of the windows. They're trying to put the frame over there. And here, this is actually where I slept last night. Scarlet Boo is here. Ta-da! Scarlet! Hi! Hello! Scarlett here. Alright guys, so Scarlett and I are just here in this little sitting area that Mom has in front of her store. So right now I am looking at my house while they are working on the sliding window. So finally I can see 2 windows that has been installed, and I would have to say I got the perfect choice for the color black. He actually showed me different colors for the sliding window. I think there's brown, there's also gray, there's blue, and there's a mirror type as well. And yeah, I just decided to choose the black color. I want it very simple and classic, and I think it's gonna be a good contrast with the white wall that we will be having once they will be able to finish the painting, the skim coating, and that. So yeah, I think there's like a lot of people inside my house right now. Actually, I do have, I think 3 or 4 people inside my own bedroom because I told them to again prioritize it. So we have 4 people inside. All of them are currently doing the skim coating for my main bedroom. And then once they finish with that, they should proceed to painting. And then I think there's 4 people as well that's working on the sliding window. So yeah, the labor is already part of the deal that we have for the entire price. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys later once they've already installed everything, how much was I able to pay for the sliding window and everything else. And we also have one person, the main builder. He is working on my countertop. So I like it. The backsplash looks really nice. I totally am loving it. And then yeah, he's almost done with it as well, so he's now gonna proceed with the countertop itself, which I have not shown you the tile that I actually chose, so I'll show it to you later on. So I am here in my bedroom, and as you guys can see, let me try to turn on the lights first so that you can appreciate the wall. So the wall is a lot wider now than last time that I shared this to you. That's because they were doing overtime last night. Mom even helped out as well. And yeah, so they were doing second skim coating last night, and right now they're just doing a few touches, and then after that they should proceed with doing the sandpaper so that it will be more smooth. Then of course the painting, which I am looking forward to. So if you guys will actually look up, let me show you the marine plywood that we have for the ceiling. We also sealed the deal. So the joint plywood that you guys can see, we've sealed it with marine epoxy. So I actually ordered that one yesterday. So that's the red one that you guys can see right now. And then after that, they should do the skim coating then and painting. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. Please bear with me, guys. I don't have videographer today. Everyone's working. Razzle's not here as well. My cousin got a new job. So yeah, I'm just doing all me. And Tom is at home because he's not feeling well. And yeah, anyway, so that's how it looks. As you guys can see, my window over here has the window frame already. And then yeah, they should put the sliding window right after that. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. My air condition is over there, and yeah, if you guys can take a look here as well, by the way, it's very smooth now actually. So just a little bit of sandpaper I mean, then it should be fine. So time check right now, it is currently 12 p.m. So the workers are taking their lunch. Again, I don't have a camera videographer today. Scarlett is here. She's telling me that she is going to hold the camera, but she couldn't because she's too short. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys inside around the house as well, so that you guys can see how the house is looking right now. So we have some of the windows installed already. I think there's only 2 left that wasn't installed. They're just gonna take their lunch, then they're gonna proceed with installing the other 2. I think the bathroom window is already done as well. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys outside first and show you how does it look outside. Okay, so this is how it looks outside. First, I'm gonna show you how does it look with these 2 windows here in front of the house. So this is how it looks. Again, on the outside, you actually cannot see what's inside, but I think at night when the lights are on inside, you can see the inside clearly, but during the day you cannot. That's what you guys can see. It's just, you know, the reflection of the beautiful clouds. It's a beautiful day today. Earlier it rained for like 1 minute and then it stopped suddenly. All right, so that's how it looks. I think they'll need to like remove these ones, the sticker and such. All right, the other one is here on the other side as well. So that is how it looks. Ta-da! So again, that's still a reflection of the clouds. And then let me show you on the other side as well. It is here in front of the house. Okay, we're gonna go here in front. Someone's doing some really loud music. All right, so this is how it looks in the very front of the house, guys. You guys can see the reflection of the window inside of the house, which is like the kitchen area, that little thing over there. And yeah, if you actually is going to like look closely, you cannot really see the inside. Well, you could if you take a look at that, see, but if you're afar you cannot really see what's inside. So yeah, that's how it looks. And then the other one is over here. This is going to be for the second bedroom. So the second bedroom is looking like that. It's pretty much the same. So that's how it looks. It might be best if they are going to remove these ones, you know, so that we can see the beauty of it. But yeah, I think they're gonna take care of that later on. But yeah, this is how it looks on the front of the house. It's actually very nice to look at it because, you know, it's black, and especially once it will be painted, it will really look so beautiful. And I just love the black color. I mean, they actually call this gray, but I think it's black. But yeah, that's how it is. And come on, let's go inside and show you how does it look inside as well. So this is how it looks inside. As you guys can see, we still have all of the windows over here that they are still yet to install. So ta-da, this is how it looks during the day. So I'm inside now and you can see the outside clearly, but again, if you're outside you cannot see what is inside. So let's go here in the second bedroom. This is where we slept last night. We just put this foam that I got from the previous house. And yeah, so this is how it looks here in the second bedroom as well. Let me just show you how the lock is. So we do have a lock over here, guys, as you guys can see. Let me show you. Wait, you cannot see that one. Maybe this one. But yeah, you cannot see still, but there is a lock, and then all you have to do is slide it like that and like this as well. So then you can lock it. Ta-da! And then over here in the living area, you guys can see as well. That's how it looks. It's already done. It's out. It was actually pretty fast. In the kitchen area as well. So we do have windows here in the kitchen. That one over there doesn't have the window yet, but this one is already done. It has lock as well. And we have another update here in my countertop, guys. The countertop backsplash has been done already. So that's how it looks. Ta-da! I think he's still yet to put a grout like on the joints of the tiles. So that's how it looks. I really love the design of that backsplash. Anyway, let me share with you the tile design that I decided to choose for the countertop itself. And it is this one, everyone. Look at that, how pretty. It's really beautiful. I love it so much. I would have to say it actually has the same element with the backsplash that I have. So that's very nice. So yeah, as you guys can see, he is going to put now the tiles for the countertop. And it's gonna go all the way there and over here as well. So there you go. Now let me show you here in the bathroom area. So as you guys can see, it's been done as well. So we have two sliding little ones here in the side and here at the back as well. So ta-da, there you go, everyone. And yeah, everything's looking good. Everything's going well so far. Now I'll take you here in my bedroom where everyone was working so hard to be finished. So as you guys can see, this is second skim coating or third, I'm not sure, but it's very bright now here in my bedroom. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. This is just going to be a really quick update of the house about the sliding window that has been installed. I'm really happy. So right now that the sliding windows are already installed, the house is now closed since we already have the door as well. So I will have to ask the builder to put the lock as well so that the house will be really secured now from now on. So yeah, I'm quite happy, really happy with the sliding window as well. It's really nice, especially if you look at it from the outside and from afar as well. So yeah, if you guys would like to ask how much did I pay for the sliding window, it was supposed to be 32,000 pesos. And then I haggle, of course, I do haggle a lot. And then he just said 30,000 pesos. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that price because these windows are pretty big anyway. I know you can't really appreciate the size of the window in the camera because it looks small, but in person it does look actually big. These windows are big. So again, that's 6 sliding windows and 2 sliding windows as well in the bathroom area, and that's for 30,000 pesos. And yeah, that is it so far about the update that we have here in the house, guys. Thank you again so much for the love and support. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys are excited for us to move in. Yes, we are moving in so soon, like super soon. And yeah, I think once we get back from our trip, we can already slowly move in here in the house. So yeah, that's why we are prioritizing the main bedroom. Thank you guys again, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.